Hey, this is BMX Freeriders here. This is a 2012 MirraCO edit in the flat gray, I think it is.
Flat sand.
Flat sand. He knows more about it, the biker of this bike. It's a 2012 model. Just let you look at it for a minute. It's a 20.5 frame with a welded seat clamp. The fork is chrome fork legs, fits 3/8 axle. Oh, the handlebars are, I think, oh yeah, they're 2-piece high-rise, 8 high-rise, Miami. Then we got our grips here, black label. I think they're called like Rapper or something like that. What?
Nothing.
That actually, it's something like that. Sprocket, Sprocket is 25 tooth. A normal size. Then, okay, I guess we'll just, bottom bracket is sealed. Pedals are FPD plastic.
Kinda dirty.
Yep, pretty dirty. You can barely see, they're pretty hard. They need to be loosened a lot.
Okay.
I don't care. Alright. Oh, drivers. Let's call it a freewheel, is 9 tooth. Front rim is gold. Rear rim, gold. Front hub. 3.5 axle. Rear hub, alley hub, and 1-piece driver with 44mm axle. Then we got, so yeah, it comes in 3 different colors: flat black, flat grape, and flat sand. The weight of it is 25 pounds when you first buy it. This is all original, exactly how he's bought it. And the price of this was $330 in Canada here. We'll listen to the hub sound. That's nice. What do you like about this bike the most?
It's a bike.
Would you wish you got any of the other colors better?
Flat black.
Yeah, the flat black was pretty cool. The purple's alright.
Yeah, purple to purple.
So, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and like. I'll be having some more videos soon. See you later. Bye.
Can you blow my whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together.